everyone. So today is going to be the Asos advent calendar. I'm so excited about this advent calendar. This is one of my favourites every year. I feel like it might have had a little bit of a price increase. This cost me £90. It is a 25-day advent calendar. Yeah, last 2 years you got like a free tote bag type thing with it. This year you didn't get anything like that. This is what it looks like here. So it's very much in their style of like reusable recyclable packaging, which is very good. Yeah, it works out at £3.60 a day, and we're literally just going to unbox it. It is literally just boxes like this, and then you have a pull-out drawer like this. So I'm just literally going to sit it on my knee and unbox it like that, because there's not really much to see, to be honest. About £3.60 a day at the price I paid for it. I don't know, I've heard a few of you managed to get discounts and things like that, but let's just unbox it and see if you think it's worth it. So this is day number 1. Let's have a look, see. So we have got a tiny little size. It's very small, but a little goes a long way with this style of product, so I'm not really like upset with the size. This is Iconic London Liquid Highlighter. I feel like I may already own this. Yeah, doesn't have it's a shade on it, but it's got like, it's like, this is what it looks like here. But I may already own that, but tiny with these type of products, a tiny amount goes a long way. Day number 2 is a skin therapy. This is from a brand called European. I've actually used this brand. I quite like this brand. It is a skin therapy, 17 ingredients, multi-perfecting night oil. Let's have a look what this looks like. Ooh, that looks nice, doesn't it? And that is what it looks like there. Very nice. Like that we're getting a bit of Korean beauty in as well. Day number 3 is a larger yellow box. I will say the boxes are like sticky tabs, so I don't know, like normally I put my hubby's advent calendar inside of this. I don't think I'll be able to reuse it in that way like I normally do. Oh, this is a nice product. This is the Ritual of Aveda Rejuvenating Body Scrub. It's got Punjabi pink salt and sweet almond in. Ooh. And this is what it looks like. Good size as well. This is a 125 gram. Let's have a smell. I love Ritual scrubs, the ones in this packaging. That smells lovely. I'm very excited about that. Ooh, yay. Favourite day so far. Day number 4. This is the Malin plus Gouttes Lip Moisturiser. The Malin Gouttes Lip Moisturiser Hydrating Lip Treatment 10 ml. And that is what it looks like there. I've never heard of this product or anything like that. Day number 5. So some boxes are openable and some boxes are like stuck down. Let's have a look. Ooh, we've got an Invisibobble. We've got the style icon. It's got like the spiral Invisibobble inside, but it's got the like a normal, like a scrunchy hair bubble. I really like this. I don't know how much Invisibobbles are, but I don't know whether that is worth £3.60, but I'm happy with it, but I'm not sure on the worth of that product. So that was number 5. We're on day number 6, which is this, it's quite weighty, purple one. Well, I think it's 6. Yeah, I think it's 6. It's 6 or 9. They haven't got a line or anything under it. We have got a quarterly product. It is the Purifying Gel Cleanser. This has got to be full size. Natural salicylic acid, organic essential oils and grape water. That sounds lovely. I'm quite excited about that. It says it's for combination acne prone skin, so I might actually give that my sister, even though I really quite like the sound of it. But we'll see. We will see. So that was day number 6. One day number 7, which is in this lovely, like very light lilac-y pinky shade box, and we have got a Sanjuan hair repair treatment. I have had this in a previous advent calendar like last year, or in a beauty box last year, and I really liked it, so I'm actually really happy about having this. And it is a hair repair treatment, so it's not like a shampoo with no conditioner. that was 7. We want day number 8. Oh, this is weighty. I'm quite excited about this. I love advent calendars, if you didn't know. Oh, we've got a neon candle. We've got a bedtime hero silent to sleep candle. I know Neon are doing their rounds, but I love their candles, so I'm not going to complain. And these are perfect. Like, you could give these as little stocking fillers as well. Oh, who wouldn't want that? Because I know I do. So yeah, I'm actually over the moon with that. Over the moon with that. Number 9 feels like it's got nothing in. Okay, we've got the Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. So this is quite a bougie product, even though it's tiny. I honestly couldn't tell you what it's worth, but it's a 5ml size. It's 5ml, so I feel like it might be worth a little bit. Yeah, but it's still a little bit small, but I mean, it's Sunday Riley. So that was day number 9. We went day number 10, and this feels like absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Right, let's have a look. Oh, we've got an e.l.f. blush brush. I love the look of this brush. I love the look of this brush. It looks really, really nice. Yeah, I'm quite excited about that. I don't think I tried one. I haven't tried a lot of e.l.f. brushes, so yeah, I'm really excited about that. That is 10. We went to day number 11, which is this one here. We have got a little mini Cetaphil product. This is what it looks like here. My niece loves these, so these always come in handy. It's a little size, I must admit. I don't know whether this is worth $3.60. In my opinion, it's 29ml. What a random number, but yeah, we got that. I will give that to my niece because that's what she uses. That was 11. Went day number 12. No. We have got the Philip Kingsley Electrolyzer. If you love this product, I can understand you'd probably, it's the deep conditioning treatment as well. It's not the pre-shampoo one. So it's the same one that we got in the next advent calendar. Yeah, so I'm glad it's a different product. At first I didn't think it was, but I'm just like, I would like to try their shampoo and conditioner, or are they all called electrolyzer and then they have shampoo and conditioner? I don't know. I just feel like we've seen that much of the pre-wash a couple of years ago. It's like, Okay, so that was 12. We want day number 13. Let's have a look. See here. We've got a Dr. Barbara Sturm face cream. This is a 20ml, so not too small. Just under a 30ml, which a lot of face creams you can buy in a 30ml size, so not too small. And I feel like this is another one of them bougie brands. So yeah, I'm actually quite excited about this one, to be honest, because I've heard good things about her products. That was 13. One day number 14, which is this one. Yeah. We have got a Revolution Glaze Lip Oil with cherry seed oil and hyaluronic. This looks beautiful, actually lovely. I love a good lip oil as well. And I think I might own this as well. I'll have to have a look. But yeah, I do actually really like the Revolution lip oils. They are really nice, to be honest. That was 14. So we went day number 15, which is this one here. We've got a Ren product. It is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. It's a 5ml. I love Ren products. Like, I love Ren products. So it's only 5ml, but for an eye cream, I feel like that's a good, decent size, because you use the tiniest amount of eye cream. It's in a little glass jar. Yeah, so I'm excited about that, because I feel like Ren skincare, actually, like, my skin just seems to like their skincare. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about that. I just don't think I've tried that. So that was 15. We're now on to the draw. So we went day number 16, which is this one here. This is another one of them ones that you can't open. We have got Oh, I don't think I've had anything from this brand. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Love the packaging of it. This is the Hybrid Oil, the Good Habit Hybrid Oil. A holy grail combination of jojoba and jojoba oils to give ultra light moisture and shine to your hair. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Yeah, I love to try stuff for your hair. I love to try stuff for your hair. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. That is 16. One day number 17. Is that one here? We have got an ordinary product. This is the Natural Moisturising Factor plus HA Surface Hydration Formula. So I'm assuming this is just a face moisturiser. Yeah, everything I've tried from the Ordinary I've liked, but I do feel like it can be a bit confusing. Do you know what I mean? 17. We want day number 18 in the long yellow box. We've got This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. This is the size. Yeah, it's a 10ml. I feel like this is the first one we've had this year, so I'm not complaining because I'm actually like running low on pillow sprays, and I do like the This Works one. My favourite one is the Feather and Down one up to now, out of all the ones I've tried, but I do really like this one as well. It's one of the ones that's up there. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with that one. Like, very happy. I'm going to have a nice relaxing bath and use that one night this week. That was 18. We want day number 19. We've got the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. So now I'm starting to feel like we've got a lot of face creams. Is this for your body or for your skin face? Because if this is for your face, no, it's for your body. All right, okay, I'll let them off. Because I thought this was for your face there, and I was thinking to myself, I feel like we've had a lot of like creams for our face. I don't know, am I thinking that? Am I? Yeah, but this is quite small for a body cream then, because this isn't that large of a size. It's 28.3 grams. You wouldn't get a lot of use out of that for your body, do you know what I mean? But I mean, I use it. So that was 19. We want day number 20, which is this one here. We have got the Grown Alchemist hand cream. Right, so this is like something I'm nervous about. I'm very nervous with hand creams and stuff like that, like what they like for my skin. Oh, I love the packaging on this. It's got vanilla orange peel in, so yeah, I'll probably not try this, to be honest, because I'm very nervous on scents on my hands, because I've got really bad sensitive like skin on my hands. So love the packaging on that though, love it. And that, it's got to be full size, that one. Day number 21. Got an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream anti-wrinkle cream. This is 15ml, and I feel like even this 15ml size is worth something like £20 or something. I love Elemis. If I didn't love the Temple Spa skincare so much, this the Elemis Pro Collagen range would be like the range that I would be purchasing if I didn't love the Temple Spa one so much. Really beautiful product, actually beautiful. Yeah, chuffed with that. 21. Went 22. We have got, we have got something I'm very excited about. We have got the Max Fix Plus Stay Over Alcohol Free Long Lasting Setting Spray. Very excited about that. Should we have a go of it while we're sitting here? Because I am dying. The heat today. I'm opening an advent calendar and it's got to be the hottest day of the year. It's got to be. Right. It's got quite a stiff push, but overall that felt nice going on. Whether it works is the question, and now I'm feeling like I'm very glowy. So that was 22. I'm very happy with that day. Yeah, like it's something different. I mean, I love a MAC lipstick, I'm not gonna lie, but it's something different from MAC, because I feel like we always seem to get like MAC lipsticks and advent calendars and stuff. But that's something different from MAC, so yeah, I'm actually really happy with that. So that's day 22. With day number 23, we have got the Sol de Janeiro, a small size. I feel like they could have given it a little bit bigger, I'm not gonna lie. Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Yeah, this is, you know, even though this is a small size, it's 25ml. I bet you there's still cost of it. It's like a signature, their scent sort of product. I like this, but I don't really think it's worth the money, in my opinion. Like, the actual product itself. I'm happy to get it in this advent calendar. I'm not complaining. I feel like it could have been a little bit bigger. But I will say I do love this product. Like, I like this product, but I just don't get the hype. I never got the hype over it. It's a nice product though. I'm not saying it's not. I just feel like the hype was like unwarranted. Right, so then we've got day number 24, Christmas Eve, the day before my birthday. Okay, we've got the Psychic Sisters gua sha, like a jade gua sha. I didn't think we would be getting these this year. I feel like we got them all last year. We didn't need any this year. So I'm a bit like, yeah. I mean, I use these like to do my face, but I just feel like we've all of us and our mothers have got these now. So yeah, that was a bit of a letdown for 24. I'm not gonna lie. But it's the first one of these this year in any advent calendar. Day number 25. And then we've got a thing where you can scan and you might win £200 to spend on Asos, which, I mean, that would be amazing, wouldn't it? Oh my god. We have got the Charlotte Tilbury Dreams Luxury Palette. It is the colour coded eyeshadows. It's my first ever Charlotte Tilbury like eyeshadow palette. I am really excited about this. Hope I like it. I hope I like it because I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow. My cat's going nuts. But I mean, I'm very excited about this. Oh, look at that packaging. Look at that packaging. This eyeshadow palette on its own is like crazy expensive. So it's probably like half of the advent calendar, just this eyeshadow palette on its own. It is beautiful. It is actually stunning. And I'll swatch it for you because why not? Because this will be definitely something that I keep for myself. How stunning is that? It's my first ever Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. I'm very excited about that. So that is the Asos Advent Calendar unboxed this year. What did you guys think of it? So my thoughts and opinions are, it was £90. I feel like it's a little bit pricey. I feel like it's a little bit up there in price, to be honest. I liked majority of all the products, but even at the £90 mark, I feel like it should have been maybe £75 in my opinion. Just because we're greedy and I like to get a good bargain, you know. But overall, even at £90, it's definitely got the money's worth there. The Charlotte Tilbury product is probably half the price of the advent calendar, if I'm being honest. I honestly don't know. I put a price of it on the screen. And I'm really excited about that product. But I just feel like about the £75 mark, I'm very happy with it. I'm glad I got it. But I feel like they've definitely lowered the ball compared to previous years. Even though I still like this advent calendar, I feel like previous years were better, in my opinion. But I do like that we haven't got the same things in as every other advent calendar, bar the Philip Kingsley thing. So and the neon candle. But yeah, overall I think it's a decent advent calendar. If this is the one for you, I think it really depends on the products. I'm happy with it. A lot more happier with this than the next advent calendar, that's for sure. Yeah, if they didn't have the Charlotte Tilbury palette in the end, I feel like that wouldn't have, in the MAC spray, I feel like it wouldn't have made it worth it. Just in case you're wondering. But yeah, that is the Asos Advent Calendar. Let me know what you guys think of this. I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.